Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota 4Runner battery. First, gather your essential tools like a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and of course, your new battery. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from any potential battery acid. Preparation is key for a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's safely disconnect the old battery. Locate the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign, and disconnect it first using your wrench. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts. Next, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal, typically marked with a plus sign. Finally, remove any battery hold-down clamps or straps that are securing the old battery in its tray. This careful order is crucial. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. First, thoroughly clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps using a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully place your new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely and doesn't wobble. Now, connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, reversing the removal order. This sequence helps prevent sparks and ensures a proper electrical connection. You're almost done. Secure the new battery firmly with the hold-down clamp to prevent any movement while driving. This is important for safety and battery longevity. Next, apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. This helps prevent rust and ensures a strong connection for years to come. Finally, start your Toyota 4Runner to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.